Hello makeup lover, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. For today's two different looks, I pulled out this little fella here, the Bordeaux Bliss from Pat McGrath Holiday Collection 2023. So if you want to see how I did these two different looks and incorporated a colorful mascara, can you see which one? Maybe you can't, but you will be able to if you hang in there and watch, because I will show you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It'll be awesome to have you join. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? I put on some concealer as a base this time around, and under my eyes I put on a little bit of the blurring powder. It's not to bake, it's just to catch the fallout, it's if I get any fallout. And now I'm gonna start the look with the Platinum Rose Water with my flat definer here under my brow. Dip my Blender Pro into the Mauve Mystique. And I'm just going to use that here as some sort of transition shade over my crease here. I'm just going to blend it out. I don't want it to be super dark. Not just yet. And I'm just using circular motions, and I'm doing it rather gently. And some windshield wiper motions. Dipped into the same shadow, and I'm going to start here by the outer part and make that a little bit darker. I don't want to take it so high. I'm just going to concentrate down here to make it a little darker. It's a matte shadow with tiny specks of golden glitter. I don't know if there's any other colors, actually. I don't remember, but I can check. But it's mostly like a matte shadow. Dipped into Ruby Noir with my new Sonia G brush. And this is the Builder S. And I have fallen so much in love with this brush, because its hairs is like, there are different sizes. I'm just gonna see here if I can show it in front here. It has different size of hair in a way that it easily grabs onto shadows like duochromes and shadows that can be a little bit hard to work with. It's so amazing, and it's just a correct size if you want to use it for detail work, and for example highlighter in the inner corner, and you can even use the tip as to make an eyeliner. It's sort of like flat definer, but a little bit more chubby, and with hairs in different size or length, so it can grab onto the shadow. It's super amazing. I love it. Dipped into Naked Sunset with the same brush. I brushed off the excess color in my makeup eraser that I have right next to me. This is more like a metallic shade. The other one was like a matte with a lot of red sparkles. Platinum Rose Water with the same brush here at the inner part of my mobile eyelid, just to brighten that up a little bit. dip the tip of the same brush in Cosmic Garnet, the most reddish color in this palette. I'm fighting hard not to bend my head down. It's so crazy that I keep doing that. I guess it's because when I normally do my makeup, I bend down because I don't want the fallout under my eye. So if I bend down, I get the fallout on the floor. Crazy, huh? I'm gonna give this look a black eyeliner, a black liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna follow the shape of my eye. Like if my eye was to continue up here, it would go like this. And then as close to the border as possible. Because when you do a liner, it's actually to make it look like your eyelashes are, you have more eyelashes or they're darker. Or, I don't know how to express it in English. I don't remember what it's called. Sorry, I'm Danish. Full eyelashes. You could say fuller eyelashes. In this collection, we also have a red mascara. Renegade Red, and a lot of people were like, how am I going to use a red mascara? It's just going to make my eyes look red. Not necessarily. You can use it in many ways. I put on some black mascara on the upper lashes, and now for the lower lashes, I'm going to put on the red mascara. Just going back and forth here to really coat the lashes. I don't have a lot of lashes on my under eyes here, so it's not super crazy. It's not gonna look crazy, I promise. Another way of incorporating the red mascara could be to put it on the tip of your lashes, whether it be your own lashes or the false lashes like I did right here. It doesn't look so significant. You can still see it for sure, but it's not so significant. I'm now going to go on to the next eye. Like with the first eye, I am going to start this look off with some underbrow highlighter, and I use a Rosewater Platinum. Platinum Rosewater? Rosewater Platinum, whatever, the lightest color. A little bit of Mauve Mystique on my Blender Pro, and I'm putting that here in my crease as I did with the other look, and I'm just gonna blend that out, and a little bit upwards and outwards. Some Ruby Noir on my Builder S in the inner corner. And I'm just packing it on here, stamping it on. Like so. Same color, same brush, now in the outer corner. And I'm just stamping it on like I did with the inner corner. I'm gonna mix it into the mauve ever so gently. Just a little bit. Just to not have any harsh lines, I'm just gonna use my soft definer brush here with nothing on it to blend out the border right here and right here in the inner corner. Before I go in with the color I am gonna use in the middle of my eyelid. And I can just mix them together here, it's fine. we need a little bit, or I need a little bit, intensifies artistry wand for the next shadow here, for the halo eye. Cosmic garnet on my ring finger and on my mobile eyelid here in the middle. And I'm just gonna mix it a little bit upwards here and into the previous Ruby Noir. Dipped into the Mauve Mystique with my Blender Pro just to make it a little more purplish mauvey toned here in the outer corner, because I felt like the black, the Ruby Noir, was taking over a little bit. And also a little bit here on the inner corner. A little bit of platinum rose water for the inner corner highlight here with my Worker S. Builder S, Worker S, now I already forgot what it's called. And to not make this look super duper dark, I am just gonna use the same brush with some Mauve Mystique under my eye. And mix it up to into the upper part. And blending it out. I'm gonna give this eye look a liquid eyeliner too, on the black one from Pat McGrath, like the other eye. I'm just gonna put it here on the outer part of my eyelid, like so. This time around, I did not put on any red mascara. I did, however, put on a lip liner called Vengeance on my waterline. Don't tell anyone. I'm now gonna go and put on some false lashes. Back with some false eyelashes, and this is what it looks like. A little bit dramatic. I'm gonna go off cam and put on a full face of makeup so you can see what these two different looks look like with a full face of makeup. And this is how it turned out looking with a full face of makeup. And now with some glasses on. On my face, I am wearing the Pat McGrath Labs Light Medium 8 foundation. And as a bronzer, I used the Nude Honey, also from Pat McGrath Labs. Nymphette is the blush I am wearing today, and also I am wearing a highlighter. And for this look, I pulled out the Divine Rose because it's like a pinkish golden highlighter, and it's a lovely formula and I really love it, and I feel like it matched with Nymphette awesomely. On my lips, I am wearing Omi, and on top of that, I put on some Dreamscape just to give it a little sparkle to match the eyes. And yeah, this is it. Two different looks with the same palette. I think so far out of the palettes I have used, the Quints from this year's holiday. No, sorry, we are in 2024 now. It was last year's holiday collection, 23. I think this by far, the Bordeaux Bliss, is my favorite. Also, when it comes to the different shadows, how they work, by far, this is my favorite. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, or you want to tell me which one is your favorite, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It will be awesome to have you join. Now, I want to thank you so much for taking your time out of your day to watch this video, and I hope to see you again soon. Have a lovely day, and bye. Mwah.